Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Dumebi. If this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, if you're an oldie, welcome back. Thank you for coming back once again. It's so good to have you here as usual. So my usual disclaimer, please, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Do not go searching out anybody that I talk about in this video. Don't send them any form of hate comment, threat, or violence. This channel does not support any of that. That's the face I make when I want to be mischievous, because today's video is one of those videos. I'm just going to go right ahead and tell you that you can just save this video somewhere. You mean bookmark it, save the link somewhere. This is kind of video that I feel like if you're having a bad day, just come and watch it. It's very light-hearted. It made me laugh. Okay, so now there was this palm-colored man, you know what? I'm just going to go right ahead and play some of his videos. They're just self-explanatory.
Well, TikTok, I've never actually done this before. As you can see, I've got, well, this is probably a big problem for a lot of people. Look at that, it's as bald as God knows what. But I'm going to try and describe how I tie my braids up. Put the loose ones up straight to the back and try. The purpose of this video really is to get some people following, and because I'm trying to sort of promote anything, as long as people like it, it doesn't really matter what you do. See if I can, I mean, braids need doing again, mind you, but I'll try, and I can't really see. I don't know if that's filming it very well. I think it's tight and it seems to be staying, so what? Anyway, this is Paul with the Braids from New Aylesbury and Bucks. Okay, this is Paul with the Braids. I'll just spin around on my chair. Hopefully you can get a good video. Look at that. Love it. Really colourful. Love this colour. Brilliant.
So I just introduced you guys to Paul with the Braids. So Mr. Paul with the Braids. The accent with the Braids. But anyway, okay, so I don't even have anything to say. Just in case you were confused, that was a tutorial on how to style your braids, okay, by Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul got us. Like, if you've been having issues styling your braids, you might just want to try that, okay? Now, I think what got me was the bounce spots. Like, palm color people never learn. They don't learn. I'm just going to go right ahead and play stitches and commentary to his video.
As you can see, I've got, well,
Because those are hanging on to your thoughts and prayers, your ideas and memories. Take them out.
TikTok, I've never actually done this before. As you can see, I've got,
Boo Keisha, you gonna be bald as f in the morning. This shit hanging on the air, ain't it? God damn. Then he moving his shit to the side like he a bad bitch. Friend, you must have tied your hair down last night. And what the f the rest of them at? At this point, you could have just got a lace front wig, boo.
wow.
When I tell you the scream that I scrubbed just now.
Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
Ooh.
Look at that, it's as bald as God knows what.
Hell yeah, brother. I followed your tutorial. It worked out really well. Thank you for posting that.
TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
And you should never do that shit again. Because what the is going on?
Wow. TikTok.
High treason. That's all I can think of. High treason for him and whoever did his hair. We have to have repercussions for these kind of actions. This has to be some form of racism. It got to be. Because what the hell?
Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
You know what? There seems to be a plague going around on TikTok and social media. A plague of delusion. Because I expect something like this from somebody from my generation. But it's starting to bleed into the older generations. That's why I think social media was a bad thing. Because you got niggas that's 30 and up doing shit that somebody 15 would do. Like this. Nobody in their right mind would think that was a good idea. Like, bro, them braids is not it. That was not the move. Like, if anybody like told him that was a good idea, they need to be mentally evaluated. Like, immediately. I'm surprised he not wearing 5-inch acrylic nails along with it. Go ahead and get the whole look since he already got the braids in. Like, he done went this far into it. Why not go all the way? Why not just take his name and add Keisha to the end of it?
Wow. TikTok.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Yes.
Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
I'm trying to go to heaven. But you testing my patience, TikTok. You are testing my patience with this. I know you fucking lie.
Wow.
It's a bit tight, isn't it? It's a bit tight. Is this a joke? No, someone please confirm within the next 10 seconds. Because it's a bit tight, isn't it?
Well, this is probably a big problem. Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
Now, who told Grandpa Gappy to get these braids with this thin ass hair? Got to be at least 60, 70. But scratch that. 80. Yeah, I don't get the shit no more. Your time has passed.
Really colourful.
Just look at them loose braids hanging on for dear life, falling off the bone. Keep rocking those braids, my beautiful melanin challenge ebony queen.
Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
Excuse me. Did you say wow? I'm sorry, did you say wow? What? Those really fucking killed me. Did you say wow? Did you say wow? See, because like I just moved in here and there's all kinds of boxes and stuff around me. That's a wow. Wow. I got a lot of shit to do. Wow. Wow. I'm sitting up on TikTok with all this shit to do. Wow. But that's not a wow. That there, sir, that is not a wow. Because see, those braids, they don't belong to us. And those are hanging on by a whole prayer, brain matter in the space between your teeth. Not a wow. Not a wow.
This is Paul with the Brides.
We're not going to keep doing this with you. Who keep braiding this man's hair?
As you can see, you've got...
Quick question, sir. Who was able to grab those 3 pieces of hair and put those braids in? Because that person, she's a miracle worker. I'm just wondering. Questions. So many.
Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
I see why you haven't done it before.
As you can see, you've got... Well... Wow. TikTok, I've never actually done this before.
You have all the 15 hairs on your head, sir, and you chose to do this just to push your hairline back even further? I know you're motherfucking lying.
Well,
what in the hell? Initially, I was going to say something about this, but I think I'm going to do exactly what I did the other day when I was sitting at a red light and this woman walked in front of my car, and I initially thought that she was wearing a ponytail, but it turns out no, it was actually her wig sitting on the very top of her cranium, damn near on the back of her head. I just minded my business.
I actually know Paul personally, and Paul gets his inspiration from my best friend Kirsty. When Kirsty went blonde, Paul decided to go blonde. And when Kirsty went red, I'm blocking Kirsty's face out because she was going to kill me. Paul also went red. I just want to say, as a hairdresser, I'm inspired by the fact that Paul pulls this off.
okay, this is Paul with the braids.
No, I ain't gonna do what y'all think I'm finna do. I ain't gonna talk about his hair. As a matter of fact, this is why I'm doing the video, because I didn't even know he was talking about his hair. I thought he said this is Paul with the braids. Right? But he said this is Paul with the braids. I thought Paul was polyamorous. I'm sitting right here thinking Paul got the hose.
So I think, yeah, as you guys saw, a lot of people were flabbergasted, like, what, they couldn't believe their eyes. He didn't get one insult. Nobody cussed him out. Nobody, like, we're too stunned to speak. That was my reaction. Like, my jaw dropped when I saw the video. I was like, what did I just watch? Like, and I don't understand how you have those strands hanging and a whole bald spot, and you keep making braids. And I'm telling you, all over this man's page, he has braids. He's styling them in different ways and asking us, which do you think suits me better, half up or half down, the full ponytail or the side part, or like he's a baddie with the braids. I promise I'm not evil. Like, I shouldn't be laughing, right? That man is old enough to be someone's grandpa. Who is making these braids for him? Like that, I can't even decide if we need to pay that sister more money or if we need to arrest her for doing that in that man's head. Like, oh, well, I have to admire the fact that he definitely likes colors. He's bold enough to wear all those colors. You know, of all the cultural appropriation videos I've ever done, of all the palm color people wearing braids, box braids, and talking smack videos I've ever done on this channel, I never thought a day will come where I'll be talking about an elderly palm-colored man getting braids in his hair. And you guys, for real, he goes about his day like that. Like, he goes to work and stuff like that. The videos are all on his page. He's not joking. He's not playing with you guys. He's not. But on a serious note, it just makes it clear how admired Black people are. Black women were trendsetters. Like, I kind of like clicked on this man's profile and I clicked on the videos. There's a part where you can click on to see the videos they've liked. Like, you know, you watch a video and you can decide to like or comment, or you can just skip. So there's a part where TikTok allows you to see videos someone has liked in the past. And I'm telling you, I'm probably going to put like a screen record if I can. I'm telling you that most, if not all, the videos this man has liked were Black women's videos. Like, that's to tell you his feed has just Black women in it, or he's actively going to search out Black women. He's engaging with their content. For him to do that, it screams he really likes and appreciates Black women, or he's obsessed, or but either way, it's just... You guys, just please let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about Mr. Paul with the braids and his braids that are hanging low? Please just drop a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.